All right, so this is the segmentation models on Pytorch, and very interesting library that allows, well, to create segmentation of images, and is a pretty full feature library, and actually is one of the easiest one that allows me to experiment with these models. I found that they have an example that is pretty amazing. This is a Jupyter notebook, and the great thing about it is that it just requires this quick installation of dependencies, and that's all that it needs aside from Pytorch itself. I'm running currently on Windows, so the idea is to come here, and this is the notebook. I just modify a few things, but yeah, after just performing the installation, um, to just execute each one of these, and you will get the segmentation of images. Here is a small test of the augmented dataset, and it shows how the model, this is actually the training dataset, I think, the augmented dataset, and it's an image and the mask that is generated. So here is where the model is created and all of that, a configuration of it, and here it will perform the training. I already have trained it. I'm currently running on a RTX 3070, so it took around like an hour to complete the 40 epochs. Yeah, you still will not make it finish. I will just stop there. So yeah, I already have a model. It's a pretty good accuracy. So here, yeah, it will validate that best model against the validation dataset. So going there. Okay, so basically the score was 0.73, closer to 1 the better. And here is a prediction. So it looks at this image. This is the expected result, and this is what it got. So not amazing, but pretty good. Got this and this, and this where the car is more visible. Then you can see it. The idea of these models are to actually just get the cars on the predicted mask. My idea is to actually have a very small like action, is basically to have the application to predict or better to actually, yeah, to predict a segmentation from an image. So I just move the necessary code to perform that prediction once you have an already trained model. So here it is. After this is to actually the final, like the end game of this is to create a web application where you have a video, and in real time the images of this video are being predicted what it sees. At the moment, just cars, because, well, the great thing about this is that it can predict many other categories. But at the moment, my objective is just to predict the cars, or at least to have the segmented image of the car.